2015 BMW X6M. Right there. Very nice. All right, let me show you guys what you've done. So 3-inch pipe all the way back. Resonators stayed the same. Mid pipe stayed the same. Then we did a muffler delete right there. Right there. And we left the valves alone. There's valves in there. I don't know if you guys can see them. On this side and on this side. So that's how it comes from the factory into the mufflers. So we just leave them alone so it doesn't throw no check engine light or anything. And then we just do a muffler delete. So the car opens and closes the valves like it wants. And then it comes out the back into the factory tips like nothing ever happened. There's the stock muffler that was on it. It's gigantic. It weighs like 50 pounds. The car is happy to have it taken off of its back. There it is. It's dual in and dual out on each side. There's this side and then this side. All right. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you guys like, comment, and hit that subscribe. X6M already sounds better. Idle's a little bit louder. This is idle. 77. Go ahead. Oh yeah. The line has been set free. I love it. They're twin turbo, aren't they? Yeah, it's not. So this is not sport mode yet, guys. It's normal, comfort, and it's not loud. Again. Look at that pop. Rev it hard, like. Here we go. Again. Right at 108. All right, put it in Sport Plus. Let's see if it changes the sound any. Now we're doing Sport Plus. Yeah, it got louder. Again. Here's sound decibels on Sport Plus. Again. 110. It's probably even louder than that. Yeah, sounds good. Go ahead and back it up. I like those wheels on it. They look really good. The what? The wheels fit it perfectly. Yeah. They give it a nice stance. It's clean. You just need to lower it like an inch. Yeah. If you can lower it. Will y'all do that job? No. Just exhaust. Okay. Don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. BMW X6M. M stands for monster. No, I'm kidding. But anyways, here we go. Let's see how bad she leaks. That sounds phenomenal. Enjoy, guys.